Once upon a time, in a whimsical town called Sleepy Moon Town, there lived a curious child named Emily. Emily loved adventures and had the silliest friends, a giggly, spotted cat named Whiskers and a wise, old owl who loved to dance, named Ozzie. One starry night, as the moon gleamed bright and the stars twinkled like glitter in the sky, Emily, Whiskers, and Ozzie decided to have a slumber party under the silver sky. As they snuggled down in their fluffy, cloud-like beds with marshmallow pillows, a strange sound echoed through the town. Hic. It came from the moon itself, who had suddenly caught a case of the most peculiar hiccups. "Oh dear," hooted Ozzie, flapping his wings in amusement. "The moon has the hiccups. This has never happened before." "We must help poor Mr. Moon," giggled Emily. Whiskers purred in agreement. "Let's make the moon stop hiccuping, or we'll never get to dreamland." They brainstormed the silliest ideas. "How about we tickle the stars till they sneeze?" suggested Whiskers, rolling over with laughter. Ozzie put on his tiny glasses and declared, "Maybe a song will soothe Mr. Moon." So, they sang a gentle song. "Moon, oh moon, you shine so bright. Hiccup once, then sleep tight." But the moon hiccuped louder. Hic. The trio laughed and tried dancing a jig, hoping to jiggle the hiccups away. Hic went the moon, followed by a shimmer of moon dust that sprinkled down like powder from the sky. In their final attempt, Emily climbed on Ozzie's shoulders, with Whiskers balancing gracefully on top. "Let's whisper sweet lullabies," she said softly. Together they whispered, "Stars will twinkle, clouds will sway, let your hiccups float away." Finally, with a big breath and another Hic, the moon gave a little jiggle and the hiccups disappeared. Sleepy Moon Town was calm and quiet once more. Emily yawned, snuggled back into her soft bed, and whispered, "Good night, moon," along with Whiskers and Ozzie. The moon smiled down from the sky, grateful for the friends who made hiccups fun and showed him that even hiccuping nights could end with a giggle. And that's why even the silliest nights can end with a smile. The stars twinkled, the moon glowed softly, and Sleepy Moon Town drifted into a cozy, peaceful sleep.